SMARTreview APR is a powerful new tool for checking the compliance of a building against provisions of the building code. It is a software add-in to Autodesk Revit that extracts important data out of a building information model and sends it to a rule set on the cloud to determine whether the building complies with the International Building Code. Architects and designers can check their designs with APR at early stages right up to construction and remodeling. An example with a 4-story hotel will show off the workflow. Here is how it works in 6 steps. Draw your building with Autodesk Revit. Draw levels, walls, floors, roofs, windows, doors, stairs, rooms, and property lines. Draw areas to establish separation areas as defined by the code. Define the concept for the building to establish a context for a review. This includes the construction type, the occupancy code, the sprinkler system, and which version of the IBC to use. Populate the building elements with the data needed for a plan review, such as fire ratings, flame spread classifications, room function of space, and so on. At this time, the software is extracting data from the Revit model and doing calculations such as egress calculations, and sending the data to a cloud service where the rule set for the building code is kept. On the cloud service, it does its calculations and in comparisons to the provisions of the code, and then generates the report. After generating the report, it sends the information back to Revit so that one can display it and look at it within the context of Revit. One can also use the APR cloud service to review the results of the analysis. The report details which provisions of the code are compliant and which are non-compliant. It also shows the status of the building elements. One can go back and fix the elements in the Revit model and repeat the cycle until the building is compliant. The software can then issue a certified plan review, providing exhaustive information about what provisions have been checked and which elements have been checked. Our automated plan review can save time and money while producing a highly accurate and reliable plan review. SMARTreview APR is an invaluable tool for Revit users who must assure compliance with the IBC. I am Mark Clayton, the CEO of SMARTreview. I invite you to check us out at https://smartreview.biz.